Hello, and welcome to my cooking show. My name is Aaron. I'm 22 years old, and I have no idea how to cook. Today, we're going to cook chicken and broccoli and rice. And I have no idea how to cook it. We're going to find out together. So this is frozen. I don't know how to thaw it. So I'm gonna figure out how to thaw it. So I figured out how to defrost chicken. Turns out I should have done it 2 to 3 hours ago. So that's good. We're gonna let that defrost in the sink, and then I'm probably gonna get really impatient and just go for it anyway. But in the meantime, we're gonna cook some broccoli and rice. I'm assuming I could like saute it. I think that's the right word, with some olive oil or canola oil, same thing, in this pan on the oven. Best possible scenario, I cook the broccoli, it's delicious. Worst possible scenario, I start a grease fire and the whole house burns down. I'd take those odds. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna cook some rice in the meantime as well, in this pot here, with rice and water. I don't remember how to cook rice, so I'm assuming it's 1/3 water, 2/3 rice, or maybe it's 1/3 rice, 2/3 water. It's something like that. It's probably 2/3 rice. I can't really see how that could go wrong at all. So we're gonna do it. Let's do it. All right, cool. So we're gonna put some water in this pot, and we're gonna. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this pot up with some water. I don't really have any way to measure how much water is going in, so I'm literally just gonna do this shit by hand. No big deal. So 1, 2, 3, so 6 things of water. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 8. There we go. We're good. What could go wrong? Right. Easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we're gonna put that on the oven over here in the back. We're gonna let that start boiling. Is it light? It's not lighting good. We're good.